It's tricky, you know, when you present something like this, it's like we discussed, it's very powerful and moving, but you don't want to be a downer, you know. But it's important that people know that there's, especially brands, that, you know, as marketers, it's, I don't know if I want to say lazy, but it's you could get more out of your job, right? If you took the time to make a difference and use your brand to make a difference, it doesn't cost a lot to do, and it can do great things for your brand. Customers are bombarded these days with messages online, on their phones, on buses, everywhere they go, there's a marketing message. So largely we see that they tune that out. And especially, you know, as every brand looks to engage more in the social space, primarily through Facebook, Facebook's changing their algorithm with regard to what they're going to show users. So brands who have spent hundreds of thousands to acquire users but aren't creating content that is highly engaging, their messages aren't going to be shown as much to those people. So I think it's incredibly important that brands look to think a little different here and try to do some things that we know are highly shareable, that are great content, and also change lives. I think it's very important to do a lot of social listening if you want to run a campaign that does good. But you also need it to tie back to your consumers, right? So you have to be aware of what your customers are saying and what their interests are in, and then look at ways that you can look to do some good in that same type of space. There's opportunities out there for every brand, and then, you know, trying to get some buy-in with people in the organization. We have a social media committee that we created, which has helped because I'm only one person, right? So by bringing in more people in the organization that know what we're about and what our key tenets are, it's more eyeballs and ears out there that can help me when they say, hey, you need to check out this story, or hey, we should probably do something with this charity. We found that to be very beneficial.